Hey everyone, in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you how to lose weight. Pick up a 5 or 10 pound weight at the gym and visualize the weight coming off. Holding the weight in your hands help bring home just how heavy even 5 pounds of extra fat can be. If you find yourself at a weight loss plateau, up the duration of your exercise routine by 5 minutes. Pounding out your meat will help healthier portions go a longer way visually, and it's a good stress relief. Silken tofu makes a wonderful replacement for cream in some recipes. Save 85 calories just by swapping mustard for mayonnaise in a sandwich. Do your best to ensure you're not eating after 7 o'clock at night. You're most likely to make an unhealthy choices or less likely to sleep as well after a late meal. Try a pasta less spaghetti by mixing shredded zucchini, veggie meatballs, and raw tomato sauce seasoned with a dash of zesty oregano. Fresh herbs can really zing up a healthy meal. Try growing some in the kitchen using a strawberry pot. Preserve the flavor by adding fresh herbs at the end of the cooking process. Fast food is salty food. If you cut back on the salt in a few weeks, you'll be able to be a better taste, the natural salts, and may not crave the junk as much as you used to. The rub on the ground turkey that is dry, add some olive oil and finally blend onions to a turkey burger or turkey meatball to enhance its juiciness. Want to learn more tips on how to lose weight fast? Click on the link in the description below to learn how.